Hi everyone. My husband I asked my husband to buy me a not earbud, microphone for the phone, the mic. So yesterday I asked my husband, then my husband your microphone is coming today, so let's check it out. Ayan na siya, oh. Ayan. Tapos ito yata yung may sa hasawa ko. Always lucky wife. Syukur alhamdulillah. My husband but I said because I need this one for my for my live talking better sounds.
You're so close.
Like you. Tingnan mo. Unboxing session. Yan, syukur alhamdulillah. I have a supportive husband. Ayan, syukur alhamdulillah. Jazakur khairan habibi for buying me this microphone yesterday. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Buksan na. I'm so excited. Dahil bilis sa akin to ng aking husband. Try natin to mamaya. Ayun, may lagayan siya, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Bongga pala to. I'm so happy. Jazakur khairan habibi. I love you so much. Ito yata yung isa naman na to, tools yata to ng aking sweet husband. Oh, ayan, oh, tools yan. Tools to ng aking husband. Hi everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam around the world. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. My name is Vijay, coming live from Melbourne, Australia. I'm a full-time mom of 7. While my husband works interstate, I also building my online digital business at home.